is go into. I want to go into Hatterene and guess they're starting off with Spite Ups, which I was wrong. But we still have Mystical Fire. I do kind of want to nuzzle though. There's no one that I really want to nuzzle on, really. I guess like Mew. Like if I find out anybody's Scarf, we'll nuzzle. But for now, we get Okos by a with a hammer. Oh, I'm Spadaf. Why would I think I lived that? So let's go into Dragapult. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think anything really lives at Draco. I think this is free, they don't have a single resist. And they're just gonna let the Relevant go down. I should probably switch into Hatter, like, the more I think about it, who else I'm gonna switch into? The Island Meet World VGC. None of those Pokemon. Okay. We're gonna have to switch here. I do have 2 ground types. So that sucks. Let's... I think Azelf does good. Oh, God. Now I know what I wanted to nuzzle. Yeah, we just want to kill. Dang it. Okay, we probably lost. Okay. We're just gonna have to go into this mon and then Draco. Oh, wait. Or should I Shadow? Now this is a hard decision to make. Because if you think about it, they could be Fairy Blast for some reason. No, Draco. Oh, this is hard. I didn't know who I was gonna... Wait. Draco will come back, go Azelf. I had to sacrifice somebody there. I don't think Great Tusk, which is 405 speed, was probably outspeeding a... That's probably like 5. Okay. This thing's a spot off, so I am not respecting it. I'm gonna go with the Draco Meteor that from -2. I shouldn't have just... Whoopsie. Let's go Great Tusk. Because with Great Tusk, if they go Sticky Web, we can just rapid spin it away. They just... Silk Trap. You just neutralize my speed. Okay, nice. Anyway, I don't really know what they're gonna do here. I hope they're not going to switch into Skeldurge. Glamour is okay. This thing's not Toxic Debris. And Rapid Spin definitely counts as contact. Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to Gliscor. He's gonna Energy Ball. That crit. Taunt. Taunt. That was a crit, so I don't think... Oh god, that was close. Okay, he taunted. This is probably an offensive set. The Protect and Pray this heals more than 30%. More than 35%. That it is not. No, he switched moves. This isn't Specs. How much did Energy Ball do? Ugh, Energy Ball's gonna do a lot. I don't want to let this thing go down too. Dang it, we shouldn't let Hatterene go down. I don't think we should have Toxic. That was definitely Taunted. That was a bad move. Sadly, we're gonna have to let it go down. I don't think it's living a hit. We should have gone for a double actually. That would have worked. None of these Pokemon except Spidops probably has. And oh, okay, I can't skip that. Is no wait, no. Oh wait, what was it doing? can probably, oh, that didn't kill. Bye. Yeah, just nasty plant, just kill everything. No, don't take damage. Let's ice beam. Kill the Spidops. Because we're Sash, we're gonna live a hit. I think we won. Dragon Ball's definitely. Okay, Spidops. Bright Dark Pulse kills. Oh, flinch. Okay, let's go. What? I think it was just going for Leech Life. Yeah, that's not a contact move. Is Silk Trap just a better protect? Oh, wait, did we just win? I think we just win. Okay, I had some bad plays, but it ultimately came down fine. I thought... I didn't want to take damage from, Glimmer because I thought this thing would have first impression, but I guess not. This thing's stats suck. I hate when they make Pokemon that aren't very viable. I always try and make Pokemon viable, though. Anyway, they rated Terra, so we probably won. We can get another game. Yeah, I don't think we won. Okay, well here's game 2. Let's see. I think they were. I think they're leading off with. I did not. Okay, I just want to paralyze this thing. Do not nasty plot. Okay. U-turn. Whatever comes in is getting. That works beautifully. Okay, so now if it's even a ceaseless edge won't kill. I beat the last guy in the last battle, but he said a bad word, so I can't show the clip, but I want this to be family friendly. Okay, so continue for this battle now. Oh, no. Do not forfeit the match. This thing's probably... Which one? Okay, let's go Glide Score. Powerball did a good amount. This thing's ceaseless twice. Okay, we'll rapid spin later. Anyway, let's EQ. Actually, it's toxic. Can I quit? Can I quit now? Okay. We won. GG. Bam! Toxic. Okay, I don't know why they would press a fairy move. Probably clicking water move. I need to get better resistance to water. I kind of want to go Hatterene. Hatterene's not living another hit, though. I want to add Azelf to explode. But we can't. Okay. Actually, we have pretty good answer. Oh. Please. Work. No. Please. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, anyway. Sorry. Who will we switch into? I don't think we live a Terra, even if we Terra Fairy. Do we sack? No, I don't want to sack it. Okay, we're guaranteed that. Let's EQ. Oh, protect. Protect. I didn't think... Oh, that was a crit that was necessary. Okay. Glide Score, if you want to... Wait, how do you get... If you want to live, you have to get the double protect. It's a 30% chance. Let's go, we got the double protect! Oh, you guys want to hear something funny? I was playing Pokemon Showdown. I was doing, Monotype, random battles. I got Steel. My opponent got Psychic. This man had a Rangaroo and hit 7 out of 8 focus misses. That shouldn't be possible, by the way. Like, if this man hit 7 out of 8, that's just something else. I don't think it should have hit that many times. I hate this stupid water. This man had 3 water types. And I have no grass moves. Or electric moves. Actually, that wouldn't matter for this mod. But still. we killed 2 of them. Anyway, Ivy Cudgel. It's 76, so... I don't want guys who die. Can I sack somebody? Does Azelf live? Absolutely not. Dark... I feel like... Darkrai isn't necessary this match. Oh? You could help though. Okay. The Darkrai isn't necessary. It is very much useful this match if for the Slowking, but we already have a Specs Dragapult that I don't think we're gonna need it. Okay, so if they switch into Cinderace, I actually don't think. Okay, okay, Toxic will kill, but Darkrai lives. He lives. I didn't even think about the flinch. I was like, oh well, goodbye. Okay, that we're faster, guaranteed. So let's just Dark Pulse. This thing's U-turning unless we get the flinch. Dang it. Okay, I thought they were gonna U-turn there or something. Okay. Let's get off these stupid spikes. Sucker Punch. Well, you know what? Okay. If that's not a good play, I think they're switching. Is this thing banded? No, he switched. Yeah, he switched. Okay, I hate that. Wait, am I not paralyzed? Oh, what? That doesn't make sense. Why do I still have a 405 speed stat? You should have cut mine in half. Oh, because I am plus 2. I was so confused. Okay, that makes sense. Let's go into Hatterene. Okay. I don't know when we were gonna get a clean switch to it, but oh well. Okay. Let's go into Dragapult, Terra Fairy, and Shadow Ball. Shadow Ball's guaranteed damage, and okay, I'm not okay. This is still gonna do a good chunk. Jabba is like if I could miss with. Okay, well here's the Slowking. This is gonna determine if this thing is physical or special. Okay, it's special. It's physically bulky. Doesn't matter. 355. Okay, I think we just win. Okay, knockoff kills. Okay, we have 3. Okay, I think we win. Yeah. Actually, I want to end it with explosion.
In Vietnam, a grenade.
I'm ending this thing with explosion.
Today, I'm a sculptor.
I know. Okay, let's end this with explosion. Did I skip the ad? No. Okay. Let's go. Explosion won us the game. Let's go another round. Okay. Anyway, if you're like, I just wanted to end it with explosion. Okay. Landorus and they have like 4 mons. Wait, does Mux up like rocks? 3 or 4 mons that could set up stuff. I'm guessing this thing is like what am I even saying? Nothing we have outspeeds this thing. That's so annoying. Darkrai's are definitely both Darkrai and Dragapult's our best matchup, but let's switch to Gliscor. Nah, so we're switching to Great Tusk. I feel like this thing. Just an EQ. So they're either switching to Milotic, And we could just like Ice Banner, which is the safe play. Now that I knew we should wait, what? Wait, what does Marble Scale do? Hold on. I actually don't know codes for Pokemon Showdown. Hold on. Marble Scale. If this Pokemon has a non-violent status condition, his defense is multiplied. Bro! I knew I should have gone for Headlong. Okay. Well, we're doing nothing to this thing, so let's switch into Hatterene. Which stat is great? Which of his stats has a weaker defense? It's his special defense is way worse. Oh wait, no, I was looking at something else. Okay, never mind. Okay, special defense is still worse though, so we're going to. Okay. That thing's so specially bulky, it's not even funny. I kind of want to nuzzle it. Wait. Oh, the Landorus intimidated me. I was so confused. What's the thing weak to? Oh. 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 So I guess this is best case scenario because we still got poisoned. I hate you. No, this thing has Ice Beam. In my head, it's just gonna switch into Dragapult, but I've seen like even resisted damage do a lot. And this thing has Ice Beam, and it might go for that quad move. Hatterene. Okay, recover. I don't know. Let's go for Draining Kiss. Why do you have to burn me? It's okay. They're doing more damage, but we're using a healing move, but we are burned by their. Okay, they just switched. This thing I'm guessing has lefties. No, Assault Vest maybe. Oh, that's AV. No wonder taking my hit so well. Yeah, I'm not gonna get. Okay, well, that's annoying. I'm sure we'll be fine. Let's just toxic this thing. Oh wait, should I actually go for the play and switch into Dragapult and force them to make me get a kill? I don't think that's a good play. I'm just gonna toxic. If they switch it to my Lodic, I'm gonna cry. I knew I should have switched into I know I should have switched into Dragapult. See, that was the best play of all time. Grassy Glide, you're faster than me anyway, but okay. Go for Protect. Getting some more HP back. Yeah, be real. Wait, actually, no. What makes this thing Pokemon so? What if they could get, instead of giving Gliscor a really good ability, what if like they gave him a Held item? That like does the same thing as Toxic Heal, just you don't need to be toxic as like his signature item, and like heals an 8th. Is that what Poison Heal does? And its ability is Arena Trap. I just want to like, oh that would be such good Starmon. Do we protect the last turn, right? Yeah. Wow. This EQ's gonna do nothing. And I have no other good mons. Hatterene's not gonna do well. Should I switch into Dragapult? Okay. I believe that the best play is to just switch into Great Tusk. Oh! I should have gone into Dragapult. Deoxys Speed. What's it? Terra Steel, Headlong Rush. I believe in you, buddy. Never mind. I looked at your special defense stat and stopped believing in you. Okay, please, please. No! 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 No, that was the worst case scenario. I thought you were going for a fairy to— I should have just gone into Hatterene. And this guy's going to Mach. Watch this. I'm calling the switch. I'm either goated or I suck at this game. Let's hope I'm goated. I'm goated. Wait, I just remembered this thing's specially bulky. Let's not talk about that, shall we? So U-turn does kill. That's the game plan. And my next game plan is wishing I Terra Steeled. Okay, yeah, no, I'm definitely Terra Stealing. Grassy Glass not gonna do that much. Should have faked out, honestly. Okay. Do they know I'm scarfed? I don't think I showed anything that I was scarfed. Okay, we're doing good. We're chipping down their team. That was a bad play, though. Okay. I'm just thinking on how do I get the Deoxys? I believe in... It's quad effective. Oh, of course they're scarfed. I didn't think they were going to be scarfed. I had to do that. There's no other play. Milotic is an anti-stall mon. Actually, it's its own stall mon. It's an anti-Gliscor mon. Oh, I hate this thing. Do I need this thing? I can toxic something with it. What's he using? Ice Beam? I believe in you. Draining Kiss. Milotic isn't the most annoying mon of all time. Okay. I believe that if we stay here for enough turns... That hadn't... No, actually I wouldn't. I wanted to Psyshock, but I remembered that this thing has a overpowered ability. Bro, what am I gonna do? Slowly chip away, I'm guessing. Oh. I like that. What does this thing can do? Oh, yeah. This thing missed the Stone Edge. Okay. I think we have enough health to live an Earthquake. Earthquake would have done more because it's stab. They have the same base power too, don't they? Isn't Stone Edge 100 base power and so is Earthquake? I don't think, I wanna let Dark... I wanna let... Not Dark... I wanna let Hatterene go down. What if, like, this thing bulked up? That would've been so nice. It might not even have bulk up. What if it Rapid Sense for a speed boost to outspeed Darkrai? Oh, it bulked up! Are you serious? Okay. Headlong Rush. We live! Oh my gosh, I did not expect that to live. Okay. It's a 4v1. It's a 2. I hate this mod so much. I hope it dies. Okay, please. No, we would have lived if it wasn't for that burn. Okay. I have a plan, but I don't like it. No, actually I do like it. I want to blow this thing up. Azelf. This is your time to shine. If they get like a really low roll. Oh, we won. Oh my gosh, they could have won that. Wow, let's do one more game. They could have won that. I don't know why they didn't just play till the end. Like, they could have absolutely won that. Especially if I do a bad play. Okay. A Sandstorm team. I'm leading off with Grey Tusk. Actually... Wait, does Sandstorm also boost ground types? Or is it just rock types? That was my dog, by the way, if you didn't hear, if you heard it. Dragapult versus Dragapult. I honestly have no idea what this Dragapult's gonna do. It's either gonna U-turn or it's gonna Draco. Let's just switch into a hat. I think that's the safest play. Unless they Shadow Ball, then that could be... Now we live one. Shadow Ball. Fable. Yeah. I would love to give Hatterene a move that could... Why doesn't Hatterene get Moonblast? Can somebody explain that to me? Would I put it over Drain Kiss? Probably not. Well, actually, maybe. Because your other choice is Dazzling Gleam. And Dazzling Gleam is not a bad move. But Draining Kiss has, like... Draining Kiss is just better. Clefable... Anyway, I should probably start ranting about that. Let's just Draining Kiss. Future Sight. Here's the first turn, right? This counts to the first turn. Right? I think so. Well, here's first turn. Here's second turn. Wait. Does it... Wait, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it takes 3 turns. I'm sorry. I was gonna switch into Darkrai. That would have been a good play. Never mind. If they Moonblast again, the best play would be probably... Okay, we're gonna Nuzzle. We're gonna go into Gliscor. And then we're gonna EQ. Yeah, that's our play. We've done Shippy to this thing. What's its ability? Unaware? Probably. I don't think Clefable is really good. Isn't it UU? I think so, right? I think it's UU. Anyway. Gliscor. Wish. I'm taunting this thing. Like, it makes sense in Moonblast, but I'm protecting this turn. If this thing gets a pair of this turn, I'm gonna be so mad. Because this is the turn I protected. Okay, it doesn't. Poison heal. Heal more. Shake off the taunt. Don't shake off the taunt. Because now I have to do this again. And now I want to protect. And then now... Okay. Sadly, they're gonna wish it and they're paralyzed. Good. I think if I play this right, I win this. If I play this right, I should like have over 25%. If I play this wrong... Oh, future side, I didn't think of that. I should get hit this turn, right? I'm not gonna hit this turn, okay. Oh, that was a good play. But they can still get paralyzed. Did they wish? No, they future side. Oh no, they can wish. I'm assuming they have protect. Just assuming. But we're gonna protect. We're gonna protect. They're gonna get paralyzed. If they don't get paralyzed, that sucks. And okay, they didn't even wish. Now we're going. Did I? Oh, I still took the damage. Oh, that sucks. That's why I protected. Oh, that was stupid. I want to go Shadow Ball, but I also don't trust myself. Okay, I'm gonna do some simple calculations. Okay, with a stab Shadow Ball, how much should Drain Kiss do? Some calculations. Harry did 17%, 18%, 26% was a higher roll. So in that case, with more special attack and a better move. Okay, I've done the calculations. We kill, and if we don't kill, that sucks. Actually, Terra Fairy Terra Blast actually goes, like, it's really good against this team. T-Tar. Should I have Terra Blast? Nah, it's fine. Probably gonna just do a dark move. We can switch into Great Tusk. Dragon Tail I did not expect. I didn't expect the Nuzzle. I'm faster? Oh. Okay, that chance is... Okay. Never mind. I'm gonna headlong just in case they switch into Dragapult. Yes, they can switch into a Corviknight, and yes, maybe this is Air Balloon. They could switch into either of those. But they think I would rather go for the quad move. So, I'm just thinking ahead here. Is that... No. Maybe? Okay, they didn't even switch at all. I would stay in, but I'm not. Oh, wait, maybe I have to. If they Dragon Dance, we lose. Okay. Okay, Draco. That's the right play. We're gonna go back into this. Oh, they... Wait, no, this rolls. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I just thought about it. Oh, wait, they're gonna switch. Probably Corviknight. I wanna go close combat. If they switch into... No, Glamora will be fine. Just switch, please. Okay, I think they're gonna... I think if they switch into Garchomp, it's either a 2-hit or 1-hit KO. Oh. That sucks. I was so happy. Okay, Atero is fine too. Now I wish I went to Dragapult and Terra Fairy. I don't trust this. So, are they doing consistent damage? How does Draco Meteor work? We kill, unless their Scarf. Dragapult comes out. We Dark Pulse, they kill. We then Dragapult. I should have just Terra and Shadow Ball, but that was too much in the moment. That's fine. That's actually kind of good damage. I'm gonna do some calculations here. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just get to. Let me get the calc out. Is my okay, I used to have a Garganical on this team. It wasn't very good. Hold on, let me just put... No, that's for other videos, don't look. Import. Just you. Control okay. Let's see. The heck? Import. Okay, I'm gonna reload this. Why the heck is this so big? Okay, show only import sets. Great Tusk against Corviknight, I swear. What? That's how you spell Corviknight? Okay, physically close combat. Okay, I think I need one more hit to put in a range. No, I meant to switch. Okay. And now we pray to... Okay. Let's look at my Dragapult real quickly. It's her, yeah. Showdown is still doing the most. We're two-shotting this thing. Oh! Did we win? Oh, I'm Specs. Dang it! That was so close. Okay, well anyway, I hope you liked the video. Shout out to Pokely for the music. Link for him will be down in this description. I forgot to do that for the last video, sorry. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day. That was Explosion Azelf.